What's up, guys? So today we're taking a look at WAEMID's Jeep Cherokee. It's obviously a two-door, 5-speed. What year is it?
2001.
2001, so same year as my TJ, which is kind of cool. But I figured I would give you guys just a little tour of it, kind of take a look around it, and yeah. So these are the wheels off of your other Jeep, correct?
Mm-hmm. A lot of stuff is actually off of the other Jeep, so you'll see some familiar pieces here and there. But I had to keep the wheels because I got these brand new Goodyear Wranglers on it.
Nice. And then obviously this part is from the other Jeep too?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, this one was cracked on this one. Not really that big of a deal, you know, this tiny little cowl cover, but I had the time, so.
Yeah. Very cool. It's really cool to see the two doors though. I literally don't think I've ever seen like one in person, like up close. Seen them driving around, but so this is tinted here. Did these used to be just the solid, complete solid, and then
I swapped these windows in.
Okay.
Partly because I wanted these.
Oh, that's cool. Little vents.
Pop out vents, yeah.
That's cool, actually. Very neat. So is that like a super rare item to find?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So these, fun fact, this window on the two-door specifically is actually the same part for all years of the Cherokee. It is the only window glass piece that is shared between all the years. So this window came from like a 91, I think it was.
Okay.
And way back in the early days of the Cherokee, these little pop-out vents were a lot more common because, you know, it was the 80s,
right,
and everybody had things like this. But they're incredibly easy to break into, so that's why Jeep stopped making them.
Oh, that makes sense.
They were still an option all the way up to 98, I think. But they just got, you know, rarer and rarer as time went on. So I still think they're cool, though. I don't care how easy it is to break in. Just don't steal my Jeep.
That does look sweet, though.
Yeah.
And probably just help with airflow, too.
Oh, yeah, a little bit.
A little bit. Nice. Pretty much no rust. Looks like just a little bit of rust on the rocker there, but not bad. But then the underside, for a Wisconsin truck, like, look at the frame. It looks fantastic.
Is that better?
Well, yeah. Maybe just a little weight reduction, but, you know. Very cool. And then another piece that lives on from your old Jeep, the rear gate. That's cool. Nice. Very cool. Spare back here.
Yeah, I've got to have a full-size spare.
Nice.
Good investment for any Jeep.
Oh yeah.
One of the first things I would do if you buy a Cherokee is if it has a donut, get a full-size spare. Like, it doesn't even have to match. Just get a full-size spare.
That's smart. Very cool. Nice. Yeah, I know you said you're not a huge fan of white, but white is definitely my favorite for the Cherokees. I don't know. And with the white letters too.
Yeah.
Yeah, makes it look really good.
It looks good. White is not my first choice.
Yeah. I know because all my Jeeps happen to be red. Everyone thinks that like my favorite color is red, but my favorite color actually is white.
Oh wow.
But yeah, I just happen to like. You can't say no to a 9,000 mile red TJ, and then my Comanche just happened to be red, so.
It's the same deal with this one. I couldn't say no to it.
Right, exactly. Are you gonna pop the hood?
Oh yeah. Come with me, and you'll see.
Oh, look at that! Your hood light works.
Oh yeah, top priority right there. That was actually like the first thing I replaced on this. Was the hood light.
The hood light. It's actually pretty bright.
Yeah, it's brand new.
That's cool. I like the. So is this the factory with the red stripes in there or no?
Nope, I did that.
That looks sweet.
So
I might have to do that to my Jeep.
Yeah.
That looks really good.
I don't know how many of your viewers play Call of Duty Black Ops 2. But like the two orange stripes in the Black Ops 2 logo. Like, Black Ops 2 is one of my favorite games.
Nice.
So I think it also looks awesome.
Hey, look how you did it on the
on the
airbox too.
That one's kind of peeling off a little bit. But
very cool.
Another reason I did it though was for what's in here. It might be kind of hard to pick up, but you might notice those rocker arms are orange.
Ooh.
So those are.
Did you upgrade those?
Yes, those are Harlan Sharp roller rockers.
Ooh, very nice.
For a stock 4.0, because I didn't modify any other part of the engine.
Right.
I'm lazy like that. But they do add about 10 horsepower. Well,
okay.
You know, just a little bit of extra power. But where they really make a difference is in how fast it revs up.
Oh, okay.
Because there's a lot less resistance on, you know, metal scraping against metal because there's a bearing there now.
Nice.
So
very cool.
I do like the roller rockers, and I had to, you know, thematically match
Looks great.
the valve cover paint.
Yeah, that looks excellent. And I think my favorite part of the Jeep is definitely that it's a stick shift.
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
Yeah, you know, they're very important about the third pedal. That's excellent. But very cool. Seats look great.
Yeah, for a farm truck, not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Headliner looks
Custom.
interesting. That is totally custom. Look at that. It's like a blanket.
Yep, it is a blanket.
That's hilarious. Did you do that?
Yep.
Nice.
So it's a
And you have
polyester blanket.
Oh, okay.
I wouldn't recommend using polyester. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get up there, but it is really soft.
Dude, that's sweet. And then the overhead console. Very cool. Yeah. It's a lot more cozy feeling than mine.
Yeah.
Very cool. Are you want to fire her up?
Yeah. I tried to make it cozy. Oh yeah, you guys ready for a stock 4.0?
Very cool. Looks great. Alrighty, we're probably gonna go for a little spin, and we'll take you guys along. Alrighty.
All right, we are live.
We are live. Alright, we're just gonna take Weymouth's letting me drive his Jeep, which is sick, and we're just gonna go for a little drive around. See what it's like. We'll turn our lights on.
Oh, you don't gotta give it any gas. Just wait until you feel the torque on this thing.
There's the no gas needed. Dude, it's got a tachometer.
Yeah.
That is nice. I wish I had one. I'd like to get a full cluster for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's a worthy investment.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think it's only like 80 to 100 bucks for one. So.
Yeah.
And mine's already got the two descenders, the units. So it's, I would assume it's just literally just a simple swap.
That's how my MJ was. Yep.
Was it?
You just take the old one out and put the new one in, and everything just works. Yep.
Cool. Yeah, dude, the steering is so much heavier on these models than mine.
Yeah.
English is hard sometimes. Yeah, so much heavier than mine. Mine's like super lightweight.
What is going on here? Watch out, there's pedestrians. Well, you're clearly from around here.
Using the crosswalk. It's just nice. Now I know what my MB3550 is going to feel like at 200-some thousand miles.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I have no history on this transmission, so I don't know if it's been rebuilt or not or anything.
Feels good.
Yeah, it's all right. Yeah.
Feels very similar. But you are super tight in the gears. So.
Whoa, watch it there, guy.
I know. 2,000 landmines here. Like, I can't really tell the difference between this and mine.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It feels like literally. Oh, yeah.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah, it feels great.
What gearing do you got in your TJ?
373s.
Okay.
Sorry about that. I didn't see that coming.
Yeah, that hit me out of nowhere when on my way in here. Yeah. So I got 355s in this one.
You do? Okay.
So that's why it feels a little steep.
It's not bad.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. I would rather have this than the 307s.
Oh yeah. The new ones are not. I almost like the interior on this is really nice.
I suppose. Look at that high quality water. What? We're
going 35. Come on. Let's see.
We are live. Action. First person cinematography. I do need a move. Yeah, there's definitely a lot more power compared to the old Renix ones.
Yeah. I lied. That's just a small bridge.
The imposter
The
bridge.
big bridge is coming.
Okay. I do need a new windshield.
Yeah, it looks pretty. Was that like when you bought it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's not that big a deal though, because it's on this side.
Yeah,
you know?
so you don't really see it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the drawbridge.
Yeah. City too.
Wow. Kind of out of focus a little bit, but
Yeah,
that's
all right.
they get the idea.
Yeah, we got some low light.
Listen, people, I don't know how to use a real camera. All right, I'm doing my best. That was cool. That was cool.
We'll spin around up here. Thank you, Mr. WAEMID. Appreciate you letting me drive your Yeep. It's great.
Anytime, man. Good Jeep.
Great Jeep.
Okay, so I'm just gonna turn around and save this person's driveway.
Yep. Wow, WAEMID. You didn't tell me such a famous YouTuber. This is a sick place.
Yeah. Welcome home, everyone.
Wow. Teach me to YouTube, please.
Yeah, this is your ideal YouTube lifestyle house right
Yep.
here. Can I go left out of here?
Yes, sir. And then we're gonna hop back on the bridge. We're probably gonna play some Frogger, so you might need to, let her rip. But
Okay.
if you,
Oh, yeah.
if you say so. Oh, no problem. Oh yeah.
There was one time I stepped on it real good in second, and the clutch let go.
Did it?
With the clutch fully out, the clutch slipped and the RPM shot way up.
Did it really?
Yeah. So it's gonna need a clutch.
Yeah. Yeah, and I really haven't gotten it on my Cherokee yet either. I don't know how well it'll hold up.
Yeah, that one's a little bit older. Right now.
A little bit. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna do it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely give the video a thumbs up. Definitely check out WAEMID's channel again. Definitely consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty, so here's WAEMID's Jeep. Nice two-door. And then we met this really nice lady who's got a 2000 Cherokee Classic, two-wheel drive. It's in really nice shape. There's literally no rust under this thing. Yeah. That's not why Florida's nice. But it looks great. It's got the upgraded power seats in it.
And the classic seats too. A lot of people don't know about these. These seats are not the stock seats. You can see they have extendable headrests.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That is actually an upgrade.
Wow.
Very rare.
So is it like an upgrade on top of the Classic, or the Classic comes with these?
I believe these are standard with Classic.
Okay.
And there is actually one seat tier above this too.
Really?
Where they're leather.
Oh.
So this
Okay.
is
The cloth?
pretty deck Jeep. Right
Yeah,
here.
it's pretty sweet. And it's two-wheel drive, which is interesting.
Yeah.
Like to be such a high trim level and two-wheel drive still.
Well, usually the ones sold down south are two-wheel drive
Yeah.
because nobody uses 4x4.
That's
down
true.
Here, you know?
Looks great though. Nice looking Jeep. Alright, so she's a little low on coolant. So we're gonna dump some in there for her. There it is. The AutoZone Special, nice.
Wow.
Yeah, that'll do.
Oh, you had a, oh, sweet.
Look at that, we got a wow, this is so
This is a
professional.
real Cherokee owner right here. She's prepared.
Look at that, it even fits perfectly.
I'm gonna take a picture.
It's kind of hard to see in there. It is
Yeah.
all mucky in this
Is it?
coolant reservoir.
Here, I'll get
So
a light on it and just shake the thing around, and you can see from the outside probably.
Yeah, it's about halfway
Is it?
there.
Yeah, just top her off. It'll probably be low in a little while.
So I'm willing to bet what happened is the heater core got clogged up.
Yeah.
Probably because
Correct.
based on
Yeah,
this
it's
getting
super
all rusty,
Yeah.
I'm willing to bet they ran just plain water in this thing.
Oh,
And,
and it rusted out
Because
the
you don't need coolant down here.
right,
you know?
but it corrode water. Straight
Yeah.
water just corrodes it too much.
Water will rust the inside of the engine out. Probably clog the heater core, which is why they bypassed it. That would
Yep.
explain why everything's all rusty and mucky in this thing.
Yep. Look at that. Well, she's all good now.
Thanks for checking.
Yeah, of course.